Welcome, new Toreros. We are so excited to welcome you on campus very soon. Please make sure you've watched part 1 to make sure that you've downloaded the Guidebook app and that you've toggled to the correct New Torero guide. This video will briefly show you the different features within the New Toreros guide. First, toggle to the menu bar in the top left corner of the screen. If you're logged in, the first thing I'll show you is that it should populate your name and a barcode at the bottom of the menu. Find your name and then click on the QR code. This QR code is very important as this is how you will be checked in for orientation and all your learning community events for the entire year. You can add it to your Apple Wallet for easy access throughout the entire academic year. Next, you can navigate to the overall schedule using the same menu. This has important deadlines for the summer, it has the orientation schedule, and the Living Learning Community or Transfer Learning Community events for the entire academic year. Eventually, once you've been assigned to your Living Learning Community, LLC, or Transfer Learning Community, TLC theme, you'll be able to see your exact schedule in the My Schedule feature. Once you are assigned your theme, it will auto-populate there for you. You can also use the filter bar in the bottom right-hand corner, and from here, you'll be able to filter by the different Living Learning Community themes or Transfer Learning Community. You can also filter if you're a first-year student or transfer student to make sure you are just looking at the events that are applicable to you. Another way to do this is by going back to the main menu bar. You can select Schedule by Group, and you can select if you're a first-year student or a transfer student. This way you can just look up the events that are applicable to you. If you go back to the menu bar, you can also select Maps. There's going to be a variety of different maps that we've populated for you for orientation and other events, like a water station and restroom map, and a single occupancy restroom map. Use the menu at the top to navigate through these different maps. In the main menu, you can also navigate to the new student checklist and orientation website so that you can have easy access to our website. There is also an option to open up an interactive USD map, and there's also a section called New Student Resources. Here you can find a variety of different resources from different departments on campus that may be of interest to you in your transition to USD. In the main menu, there's also an option for a glossary, and this contains a glossary of all of the important terms at USD. We use many acronyms on campus, so we want to make sure that it is as accessible as possible to you. Make sure that you have reminders turned on as we will send important updates and notifications throughout the entire year. Thank you so much for listening, and we look forward to welcoming you to campus very soon.